Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. Today we are going to do reverse engineering of this scan model. If we open this scan model in any 3D slicer, then we can notice that there are errors in this model, so we cannot use it for 3D printing. For this work I will use Geomagic DesignX. After importing a model, this is my model. Then we can go to sketch, and for the sketch we can use mesh sketch, and I show you how to do this. Like if I want to create a sketch for this center part, first I hide this. This is my mesh, and go to sketch and create a mesh section sketch. Select this plane and then move this plane. Now I can see that I have maximum detail of this middle portion, and we can click OK. Now go to spline and only pick the points, and spline will fit this sketch. Here is the smoothness. If I go to minimum, then it will change the smoothness of a spline, and if I go to maximum, then it will make it complete smooth spline. So I think this is good here, and we can click simply OK, and our sketch will ready. Exit the sketch, and then we can extrude this sketch, and we can adjust it in two directions, and from this middle point we can use 59mm for this model. And after creating a extrude, our main model is ready. Then we will go to fillet, and we can apply a 5mm fillet for this, and this is our model. In the mesh, now in this mesh we need to create this outer profile. By using this right plane we can extract the sketch from this profile. So if I go to mesh sketch and then move it up to this, then we get this detail, and again we will use the same method, and we will use spline, and we will fit the spline on this mesh section sketch, and then exit, and then again extrude. So in this we will extrude it 59mm, and we will not merge this. This will be a separate body. So click OK, and after extruding we can get this body and this body. If I go to analysis, then we can see the deviation analysis, and look at this. There is some deviation, but this is acceptable because the mesh needs some modification, so I adjusted it. After that we will extrude cut this profile from this front view, and then for that I used a mesh sketch, and I extracted this profile. We can see in the pink line, and we can create these lines to make extrude cut. And extrude cut will cut this part from the center. After extrude cut we can create these features by using group regions, and for that we can go to region and then auto segmenting, After auto segmenting, we get the segments like this because we will create these features by using this method. So first we have some options like go to model and then solid primitive, and then we can select any mesh like this. Then we can give the type like cylinder, cone or sphere or torus. In our case it is a cylindrical shape, and it will capture the detail of this, and then we can click OK. I already created all these features, so I am showing you quickly. In this way we can create these features and then we will mirror them around this plane. So we will create only one side, and for these three I used a different method. First I shrinked the surfaces by clicking on the surface and then shrinked, and then I created planes. Actually this profile is not parametric, it is inclined to this, so we can go to model and then create plane, and let's say we want a plane here. By using this plane I can go to sketch and mesh sketch, and then we can move this. By using this plane we can create a mesh section sketch, and if we will pick the circle, then it will complete the circle, and then exit a sketch. And in the extrude we can use up to surface and then select this surface, and our feature will ready. In this way we can create this cylinder and this cylinder also. After creating these features we can mirror these bodies by using this plane, and our bodies will mirror here, and again we will mirror all of these bodies around this plane, and we will create bodies on this side also. After this we can use a boolean. For boolean we can go to model and select boolean, and in boolean section we can use merge to merge all of these bodies, and this will be a separate body, and these bodies will merge. We will use a mesh section sketch, and then we will get a profile like this, and then we will extrude these profiles up to this surface, and same with this side. We will use this mesh to create this mesh section sketch, and this will capture the detail of this cut, and then we can offset this by using this offset command. We can offset, and then we will extrude only this middle portion, and we will extrude it up to this inside surface. After that we can use extrude cut, but before using extrude cut we will create a mesh section sketch here. Like we can select this and go to sketch and a mesh sketch, and then move it like this. I'll show you a quick example. Go to spline and select like this, click OK, and again for this inside, and your sketch will ready. This is our sketch, and we can extrude it, extrude like this, and up to this surface. After that we can use extrude cut. By using this inside profile we can extrude cut this through all to make it hollow from inside. I created this sketch to cut this body from here, and again we can use these inside profiles to create a cut in this body. If I show this body and then we can notice this is our cut, and this was our previous cut to cut this body, and this is our another cut which we required, and this is our thickness of the feature. And then use boolean to merge all of these bodies. Now if I go to deviation analysis, then we can notice that our mesh is perfect, and our model is ready for 3D print. This was our previous model. We can see errors clearly, and we can see a notification here. If I remove this, and this is our new model, we can see that how smooth and how perfect this model is, and there is no printing error or any other issue in this new model. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe for more interesting videos, and you can also contact us for our services. Thank you.